We're super excited to be here today because we're getting to present to you the new software for BeoSound Moment. It's been a rewrite of the interface software here in Denmark. I'm going to show you the changes we've made, some of the bigger changes, and some of the improvements we've made. So, let's spin it over now. The first thing you'll notice is most of the concept is the same, but the way we've laid it out is a bit different. You can see I'm at the bottom here. Then I've got the now playing screen, the collection, and then search here at the top, because search is now a primary screen. So in other words, there's 4 main screens now rather than 3 before. So the focus has been on improving the search and improving the collection area for people that have good collections. That people are really enjoying playlists. So we've made that a lot easier now to find playlists from the music service and add them to your collection. So for example, I'm going to search here now for a moment in time. I'm going to search for dinner. And then very quickly I get a lot of playlists that people have brought together, they've curated, that are great for dinner. And I can tap any one of those to start that dinner music playing. Or I can just tap the heart and I add it to my own collection where it appears under playlists. This search function in playlists is also great for exploring genres. Tap jazz, for example. And then of course, search is used for many things. I'm going to search for an artist here. I've got all their albums. Albums in the search is now horizontal, so it's the same as the rest of the BeoSound Moment. Got all their tracks, and of course the artist. Now if I heart the artist, as I've done here, what that does now, this is new, is that actually adds the entire collection from that artist. Previously, when you went into an artist, their albums, all the albums opened automatically, and now we've created an index screen so you can really quickly see all the albums of that artist. But while I'm here, I would also like to show you through the rest of the interface. On this screen here, we've got the 5 tabs at the top. This tab here called Link, this shows the other Bang&Olufsen products you've got playing in your home. And with a tap on one of those products, you'll join in and you'll be able to hear the same music that's playing on that other product. The Playlist tab has all those playlists that you've favorited. The radio has all your broadcast radio stations from TuneIn and all the curated radio stations from Deezer. The collection, you spend a lot of time there, has your albums sorted by artist, and then the Discover tab has curated selections of music that are constantly refreshed and come from Deezer. I would like to show you how to change the name of the server. Take the lid off, go to the settings area, go to the content screen, and then under DLNA, it says here, change DLNA label. By default, this option is off, and the default label will be called local, but you can switch to on, and then you can name it anything you like. You can read any of the notifications that's come onto the user interface here in this area here, called notifications, and it shows you the status of the product right now and any messages that have appeared on the screen. We put a lot of work in this piece to have it feeling much more responsive. And we've done that, it literally is more responsive, but it also giving you the feeling of responsiveness in the way we've done the glow from the volume wheel, where it interacts with the touch wheel. So now, the instant you touch the wheel, you get this response. It just feels so much more responsive. Another thing is the animation itself is much smoother and it's just a more luxurious experience now. The move wheel experience is like you remember it, just with one nice little change, and that's that now you can, when you swipe accidentally on the move wheel itself to move to another screen, it no longer suddenly starts playing. A small detail, but it's a big improvement in the daily experience. We've been doing this to improve the software, to give people a more enjoyable, fast, reliable, more musical experience.